Looking at these masterpieces of art and wondering if you could ever use soap for its intended purpose only. Slicing and carving soap and feeling crinkly wrap are hot now. People are finding interesting ways to repurpose ordinary bars of soap. The result is pleasing visuals and sounds. Are you watching this video for the first time? Make sure you like and subscribe for more. Now, shall we? Soap carving. All we need for this hack, other than a bar of soap, is a carving knife, and of course, your creativity. Soap cutting. Not only will we cut soap, but we will also create something to showcase in the living room. Let's cut and slice. ASMR Part 1. The latest iteration of doing slightly odd things to satisfy people's tingly cravings is ASMR soap cutting, slicing, and feeling of soap bars and their wraps. According to experts, watching and listening to these activities can have some surprisingly therapeutic effects. Let's spend a few minutes of total silence and enjoy watching and listening. ASMR Part 2. That's it for mesmerizing crafts made from soap. Which one of these hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time.